A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. I know say enough time people wonder who Jesus did really be and who him is. Yeah, can remember say him dead and raise again. Well, Paul did go in a deep in that passage here. And remember say him did get it straight from the ass mouth. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, then click the subscribe button too and the notification bell to make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today I'm going to read from Paul's letter to the Colossians, chapter 1, from verse 15 to verse 23. Jesus is same like him Father. You can't see God, but you can look upon Jesus and see how God done. Before God make nothing, Jesus did it. Him higher than everything where God make. Because God used Jesus to make everything where they're heaven and where they're upon the earth. Everything. All where people can see and where they can't see. Everything. And He make the powerful spirit them where lead or a rule. Every single thing. And He make them and Him them make for. Him debout from before nothing at all did make. And everything tan which part God put them sake of him. Him at the head for the church. We are film body. So him control it. Him are the one we start up everything. And him give new life. And him are the first one for dead and come back alive. That way there, him are first in everything and him rule over everything. Anything we make God God. They in Jesus too. God did happy with that. And He make it happen so. And God used Jesus to make peace with everything and to bring them back to Him. Whether them on earth or in heaven. And that Him do when He make Him boy pitney bleed and dead upon the cross. One time when they did far from God, a bare wickedness when you used to think about and do. And that did make Uno and God turn enemy. But now, God make Uno friend, say what happened to him boy pitney. He make him boy pitney dead. So Uno could have get good and clean. Without no mark or no sin. And uno no have to feel guilty. And he now go blame uno for nothing when uno come in front of him. That's how it go. If uno really hold on strong and go and trust in him. And if uno no tap, look forward to the good sitting them uno hear about when uno hear the good news. People spread that good news there all over the world. And me, Paul, turn God's servant so me can spread the good news too. A God word this. Thank God
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.